In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable Do Not Disturb mode for notifications on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the system launcher and then type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, you want to select where it says apps. On the right side underneath apps, select notifications. And then where it says Do Not Disturb, notifications won't pop up on the screen. You can still see notifications by clicking the Do Not Disturb icon on the bottom right of your screen. Toggle that to the right by clicking inside the oval to enable that, and then you'll see notifications down here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.